The camera starts with panoramic shots of Bura Bura from the sky, with turquoise blue waters surrounding the white beaches. The camera slowly continues to move to underwater shots showing colorful fish and amazing coral reefs. In the background, you can hear the sound of the waves calmly with peaceful music, while a person is shown enjoying water activities like diving or sailing. The narration will be romantic and peaceful, highlighting the natural beauty of Bura Bura as an enchanting destination for peace and relaxation. It starts with the sound of gentle waves lapping on the shore. I hear them clearly and feel the cool sea breeze caressing my face. I stood on the white sands of the island, looking at the distant horizon where the sea meets the sky. The island is small, but full of life. I see it as if it were a piece of paradise floating in the middle of the ocean. Seabirds fly in the sky and chirp with sweet sounds, while green trees spread here and there providing cool shade on the ground. As I walk around, I notice tropical plants growing around me and ripe guava fruits hanging on the branches of the trees. The air here is fresh, free from pollution, and when I breathe it, I feel like I'm regaining some of my energy. On this island there is only tranquility, another world far from the hustle and bustle of life. In front of me the sea sparkles with its bright blue color under the bright sun. I go down to the beach and dip my feet in the cold water while small waves wash over my body. With every step a sense of indescribable peace penetrates my soul. While I am immersed in these magical moments, I notice a slight movement on the horizon. I look up and see a small boat approaching the shore quietly. It seems as if time has stopped, as there is no sound but the roar of the sea and the rustling of the trees. The boat arrives slowly, and on board an elderly fisherman appears, smiling at me with a friendly smile as if he has known me forever. "You are here in the paradise of the world," he says in a calm voice while tying the boat with ropes to the shore. I feel something strange in those words, as if they are an expression of his personal truth that no one else can see. I approach him and notice the details of his wrinkled face, which tells stories from ancient times, and his eyes, despite their tiredness, carry a glimmer of wisdom. He seems to be a part of this place, as if the island knows him as I know every inch of it. "This land gives us nothing, but it gives us everything," he adds, pointing to the sea and the trees surrounding the island. As I reflect on his words, I discover that there is something deep in this place, something that makes me come back to it every time, a feeling that no other place can offer. We return together to the beach, and the air touches our faces. With every step we take, I feel that I am getting closer to the spirit of the island, to the complete tranquility that surrounds me. I watch the birds flying above us, and the sun has begun to set, spreading golden colors on the surface of the sea, creating a stunning painting before my eyes. As the sun slowly sets, I lie down on the warm sand and close my eyes to immerse myself in this enchanting atmosphere. I hear the sound of the waves gently crashing as if calming my soul. The air gently touches my body. I inhale its scent, filled with a mixture of sea, mud, and tropical grass, as if it were breezes from another world. I open my eyes to see the sky transformed into a painting of amazing colors. The horizon blends between blue, orange, and red, as if the earth had blended with the sky in a quiet dance. At this time, the stars gradually begin to appear one after another, adorning the sky with their shimmering pearls. In front of me, the sea is completely calm, and the waves come gently, as if carrying ancient secrets yet to be discovered. Suddenly I hear a faint sound coming from the beach. I raise my head and see a group of small turtles coming out of the water heading towards the sand, as if taking their first steps in a new world. I watch them in amazement, and I feel that I am part of this endless circle of life. My eyes move between the majestic scene of the sunset and the life that continues at night. There is something strange about this place, a feeling that time here does not pass in the same way we know it in other places. Everything here has its own rhythm, and the island seems like a heart beating with life in complete isolation from the outside world. At that moment, everything had transformed into a living painting of nature's colors. The sky, which had begun to be sprinkled with the warm colors of sunset, gradually transitioned into the depths of night, and the stars spread incredibly, as if they were diamonds scattered on a piece of dark blackness. The air became a little cold, but it still carried the scent of the sea, as if washing my body of all worries. On the beach, where the soft sand makes me feel like I'm lying on a natural pillow, I can hear the whispers of the wind as it passes through the dense trees, moving quietly as if telling ancient secrets. The sea in front of me is completely calm, but its waves were sparkling under the moonlight, as if they were filled with gold. I felt like I was in a dream. Everything around me seemed so real that I expected to wake up at any moment. And suddenly, from among the tropical flowers growing near the beach, a faint light emerges, not from the moon or the stars, but a light emanating from the earth itself, as if the island decided to share its secret with me. I approach cautiously, and notice a group of small creatures, shimmering with their changing colors, moving lightly along the sand. These were creatures I had never seen before. Their beauty was breathtaking and made you feel like you were part of another world. Every step I take on the sand seems to open new doors of understanding for me, between the moonlight and the calmness of the sea, and between these creatures that light up the night. This place was telling me its own story. Bora Bora Island is not just a place but an experience in time, a natural painting that pulsates with life in every moment. And although I knew that these moments of tranquility would not last, I felt that if I had lost everything in the world, I had found something more valuable here: inner peace.